Hi everyone, welcome to this quick Excel tutorial. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to use one of the most used Excel functions, the VLOOKUP function. Let's get started. First, we'll use VLOOKUP to find the price of a product based on its code. I have two columns here, one with product codes in column A and the other with corresponding prices in column B. In another sheet, we have a list of products in column A, and we want to match their codes to find their prices. To create a VLOOKUP, start by typing equals VLOOKUP open parenthesis in the cell where you want the result. First, select the product code as the lookup value, then go to the sheet with the prices and select the entire table as the table array. Next, specify the column index number, which is the column number where the price is located. In this case, it's the second column. Finally, type false to get an exact match and close the formula with a parenthesis. Press enter. That's it. You've just created your first VLOOKUP. Excel matched the product code and returned the price. Now let's make some variations that could happen in practice and try to have a better understanding of what we have done now. For example, another way of performing the function is from the function list, which can be opened by clicking the function mark from the formula bar. From the pop-up window, you can choose any of the Excel functions without typing the exact name in the cell to perform the function. In this case, we want to find VLOOKUP. We can find it under the All category or narrow the list by choosing the type of functions, like financial, mathematical, or text functions. Let's go with the category All, in this case, and just hit the V key to go to the function name starting with V. Scroll down until we find VLOOKUP. Here, you will also have the description of the function and needed inputs. After we hit OK, we will get a new pop-up window with the inputs needed. The first is the lookup value. It is the product code in our case for which we want to find the corresponding price, which is cell B2 for product ID code 1017. Next is the table array from which we want to take our data. So go to the prices sheet and select both columns A and B. Next is the column index number, which represents the column where we have the values we want to take. In this case, it's the prices, and it's column number 2 in our table. For example, if we have two additional columns between our product code ID and price, we would input number 4. Actually, let me show you this example just to take the idea with you and to be sure we fully understand the concept. So now let's add 2 more columns here and repeat the process. When we repeat the function, we should select all columns in the table from column A to column D, and correspondingly, we should address the column index number to 4. For the range lookup logical value, we should go with false, or type the number 0 to receive an exact match. The other option is true, or any number outside of 0, which should be used as an approximate match in some specific examples. We will cover this in another video, as it is used in specific conditions and not so often in practice. So let's type 0 and hit enter, so we will get our desired result. You can copy the formula to cells C3 and C4 by bringing the cursor at the bottom right edge of the cell and dragging to the below cells, or simply by copy and paste to below cells. I hope this video has explained the use of the VLOOKUP function and that it was helpful. As always, I am adding the Excel file in the video that you can download and practice with, as only with practice and repetition you can master any kind of skill. Feel free to write your questions in the comments and proposals for the next topics you want me to cover. If you find this kind of video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and help me grow my channel and community so that we can help as many people as possible. See you next time.